Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and give you a complete breakdown step by step how you can set up a Shopify account and start dropshipping immediately. If you can dream it, you can sell it with Shopify. Shopify is one of the biggest platforms in the industry that can give you the freedom. You can discover why millions of entrepreneurs choose Shopify to build their business. And obviously the reason for that is because it's very simple. You can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator, and there's no coding expertise that is required. You just need a big idea, and you can select from hundreds of customizable templates crafted by a community of world-class designers, and you can add even more features and functionalities to your online store with an app extension from the trusted Shopify partners. And the thing why I absolutely love Shopify is because you can connect with customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools and social media integrations and sales channels that you would need to get your products in front of customers and out the door. And the thing that really makes Shopify stand out, they have everything that you need to succeed, from managing inventories and tracking payments and viewing real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They have built all the tools that you need so you can focus on building your business from day one. They are empowering entrepreneurs all over the world, globally, and they have millions of merchants worldwide with Shopify in 175 countries and 5 million jobs that they've supported since 2021, and a global economic activity of $444 billion. And that is not all. The thing that really makes it stand out is because they have a 24/7 support that's available from their Shopify blog, their online courses, and their communities and their help center that give an individuals a sense of belonging, a family that they can help you whenever you get stuck. And it's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is click on start free trial. Once you do that, they'll ask you a couple of questions such as what best describes you. Are you just started off or already selling online or in person? So we're going to go with just starting off and hit next. After that, you can select that are you selling an online store, existing website or blog, social media or online marketplaces, in person, or you're not sure, and you can always come back and change any of these later. But we're going to go with the online store where we can create a fully customizable website. Once you have selected where you're selling, all you need to do is click on next. After you do that, you need to pick a store name. This is a very important part, guys, because this determines the success and failure of any business. You got to make sure that you do a little bit of research before you select the name, and the store name needs to reflect what kind of store it is. If you're selling electronic things, it needs to have an electronic related name. If you're selling clothes, it needs to be something related to apparels, but you got to make sure you select the right name that reflects the quality of items that you will be selling. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on next and you're good to go. The last step that you have to fill in is that you have to tell them, are you going to continue with your email, with Apple ID, or with a Facebook ID, or even with your Gmail? So we're going to continue with our email. Once you sign in, you'll see on the left hand side you will have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, analytics, marketing, discount, your online store, and even apps. Now this is a complete breakdown of what you're going to be using. I highly suggest everyone to check every one of these items out, and if you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to support you and guide you in this manner. Over here you will see the main dashboard, and this is a setup that you have 4 tasks for. You can add your first product, you can add your brand assets, you can even add a custom domain and have a customizable theme that's going to be available. You can explore the support and check their help center out. They also have Shopify Learn, that you can get a step-by-step guidance on how to best set up your business online. They have different courses that you can do to give you a competitive advantage in the industry. Their community is massive, and you can network and discuss the best practices with other business owners, and you can always ask a question or start a topic and find the answers to your questions and review Shopify resources. And the thing that I absolutely love about them is the fact that you can do all of that in just $1. By clicking your trial over here, you'll be able to get Shopify for 3 months just for $1, and all you need to do is pick a plan. So let's go ahead and click pick a plan. You get 3 options available: the basic Shopify, the Shopify, and the advanced Shopify. If you go for the yearly package, you can save 10%. For 2 years, you'll save 20%, and for 3 years, you'll save up to 25%. So let's go back to our monthly and check our basic Shopify. With a basic, you get everything that you need to create a store and ship your products and process payments as well, just for $1 for the first 3 months. You get a transaction fee for all the payment payment providers at 2% and a currency conversion fee of 2%, and features up to 2 staff members and up to 4 locations. Now, I get asked this question a lot. What are the locations for? Now, as you know, you're a Shopify dropshipper business. You'll be able to sell anywhere in the world. You can select up to 4 locations, and as soon as you upgrade, you can get 5 locations. If you go for the 299 USDs per month, you can get up to 8 locations. And with that, you'll be able to get the starter pack for $1. And the thing that I absolutely love is that all of the plans include the shareable product pages with a 24/7 hour support, a fraud analysis, abandoned cart recovery, and even the manual order creation. And that is not it. You can sell in over 133 countries. And again, the thing that makes Shopify stand out is their apps. If you click over here on the apps, you'll be able to see all the different apps that are available. So you can click on the recommended apps and you'll see the apps that you need, such as the AliExpress dropshipping, the CJ dropshipping, the Booster EU cookie bar GDPR as well. And if you scroll down, you can see product reviews and geolocation as well. These are the different apps that you can easily download completely free and use them to enhance your dropshipping business and give yourself a competitive advantage in the niche, in the market that you're in. If you do not have a store, all you can do is click on the online store and you'll be able to see what your online store is going to be. And if you don't have a theme, it's very simple and straightforward where you can get a theme. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the popular free themes that are available, and all you need to do is click on any one of them and you're good to go. So let's go for the refresh. All we need to do is press add and we'll be able to add this theme completely free to our dropshipping. And you can see over here, it's installing our theme. Now our theme has been added. All we need to do is click on customize. Once we do that, we can customize completely the way our store is gonna look. From our left hand side, we can add slideshows, we can do multi-columns as well, we can even add images with text and do whatever we want to make sure that our landing page truly stands out. The customizability and the personalization that's available with Shopify is absolutely brilliant, and that is one of the reasons why a lot of individuals are turning to Shopify right now, because it gives you full control over your dropshipping and gives you a chance to really stand out and create unique items and landing pages for your business. And you'll be able to add any product that you want. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Twitter and Instagram, so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to set up a dropshipping by using Shopify. If you haven't clicked on the description in the link, go ahead and do that right now and get Shopify for 90 days. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.